Want to know how you can leverage your notary commission and increase your income as a notary public? We're going to discuss 9 easy ways you can earn more money as a notary. From remote online notarizations, being a wedding officiant, to mobile fingerprinting. All of which are additional services you can offer for your clients that can earn you up to $200 in less than an hour. Maximize your income potential with remote online notarization. As a remote online notary, you have the unique opportunity to provide a vital service to your clients globally. With the convenience of notarizing documents from the comfort of their own homes, your potential client base is limitless and can earn you up to $25 in minutes. Provide essential services to your clients in need of certifying legal documents for use abroad as an apostille agent. And earn up to $150 per appointment, which takes less than an hour. Earn additional income by utilizing your notary public skills and attention to detail as a field inspector. With field inspection, your role is to provide detailed photos and reports on the condition and location of properties, vehicles, and land. This process can take less than an hour and can earn you up to $70 per visit. Take your notary business to the next level with permit running services and increase your income. Offer hassle-free assistance to clients in obtaining the permits they need for business or personal use, while staying knowledgeable on state permitting laws. Earn up to $150 per appointment by helping contractors get their projects done efficiently and quickly. Becoming a wedding officiant is another great way to maximize your notary commission and earn more money. Depending on your services offered, you can charge anywhere from $100 to $250 per ceremony. Expand your notary services to the healthcare sector and boost your income. Offer secure notarization for sensitive medical information within hospitals, clinics, and medical practices. And earn $50 to $100 per appointment, which takes less than an hour. Notarize important documents and deliver legal notices in correctional facilities and increase your income. As a trusted and authorized professional, you can provide a valuable service to inmates, their families, and the legal system. This is a great way to diversify your business and earn up to $200 per appointment. Increase your income by offering your notary services to estate planning attorneys. Your attention to detail and knowledge of notarization requirements is valuable in ensuring the legality of trust documents. You can charge a minimum of $70 per appointment and add a travel fee for your services. Lastly, easily boost your notary income by offering mobile fingerprinting services to your clients. Take advantage of the latest technology and make your client's background check process more convenient. Mobile fingerprinting services can earn you up to $150 per appointment, which takes less than an hour. Diversifying your notary public business with services like field inspection, permit running, and mobile fingerprinting will not only increase your income but also make your business more recession-proof. To learn more about the 9 easy ways to make more money as a notary and how you can get started, join Complete Notary Mentorship and click the link below.